Hey, good morning. On Thursday, October 8th, 2015, post EIA inventory increase day, the news is all about trade and the China curbing its imports, causing the pain for all the countries who export to China. Their data's coming out bad, and all the talking heads are talking about how bad the data is and not going back to 2 months ago. It was just 2 months ago. I mean, my memory is really bad now, but I mean, come on, August, when China started devaluating their currency, it meant that they were no longer going to import. They were curbing their imports. What? Look at Trump talking about China. I mean, this is crazy. But China's no longer importing. It's curbing their imports. It's trying to support its own economy. And so when these trade numbers, come out overnight that are so horrible, look at this. And they're all saying Germany is the weather of the European economy. They export to China too, all those car manufacturers. Germany is a car manufacturing country. So, of course, its numbers are going to be bad. China stopped importing. So that's why Janet Yellen did what she did. We could not raise interest rates at this time when all this bad data would start rolling out, and it's starting to roll out. So I think she did a good job. Our minutes are coming out today, so timing is perfect. Yay, Yellen. I feel very good. She got slammed. She held up. I mean, I'm so glad I don't have that job, but I'm so glad that the people there that do have that job are doing a great job, it looks like. Initial jobless claims are coming out. They're projecting 274, but I think it's going to be higher than that because of all the, energy companies and Walmart and all that are announcing layoffs. I just do not see a strong employment market, and I do think that their employment or the jobless claims should tick up, but we will see. This is something that will be coming out at 7:30. Keep your eye on that. NASDAQ is just chopping up and down, but we have a strong weekly daily 60-15. So I'm looking to see this chopping up and down. I mean, who can trade this really? It's kind of hard. I got hacked up in this pre-market crude. I thought, I won't trade crude pre-market, but I'll trade the NASDAQ. Well, the NASDAQ was correlating with crude yesterday, and so I got myself into trouble before, the EIA came out, and, almost $1,000 down to start the day. And thankfully, I made that back up, all of it, when the EIA came out, and I made it back up in both the NASDAQ and crude. So I did well to recapture my losses, but I ended the day, at break even. So I just totally washed the day, squandered another $1,000 day opportunity. I'm so angry at myself. I cannot tell you, folks. Don't trade before those big reports come out, especially because the markets are so correlated. The energy market is lifting all the boats, and so they're trading in correlation to how crude trades. So just wait for that EIA report number to come out before you trade, and then make your money. I could have made $1,000 yesterday, easy. I mean, I made $1,000 yesterday, but the problem is I had to make it back up to the account because I'd already lost almost $1,000 before the report came out, dummy. So I live and learn. I will not trade before the EIA. We're in between yesterday's daily value. And it's just flat. It's just chopping. Market's looking for direction right now. We're directionally trading lower, but momentum is going up. So I've got mixed directions, and I'm just going to sit on my hands until this market stabilizes. Crude might be the better trade, and that's also in a holding pattern. So I need to wait before this breaks down below 47.61. Take a look at this on the daily chart. you see that we are in a void box, this little area between 46.81 and 47.81. That will get filled in unless price breaks higher right here and leaves a void box. But I think it's going to get filled in. There's not enough push on the overnight news to keep this out of this void box. We've got upper momentum at the moment, but I think that's clearing stops, and then it'll come back down into value. But we'll just have to watch this. I don't know if this is going to be the last push to try to get this broken above the 100 EMA or not. I mean, we'll just have to watch and wait and see. I'm in a standstill. Right now I'm in my chop box, and there's really not anything I can do but watch it chop. So I'm going to sit out. Sit on my hands. There's not anything I can do trading red, green, red, green, red, green. So y'all have a great day. I squandered an opportunity yesterday, and maybe more than one. I'm really, really mad at myself. Thank you so much. But I am up on the week, so I do have $1,200 in my trading account. That's not a lot, but it is something to be grateful for. Thank you so much.